look out. High-tech deck is coming.
I would do this franchise in a second. It wouldn't even be a second thought. I'd just do it.
You know, really the first interaction with the founder and his passion in being the leader in the space.
We're very excited to be a part of it. The sky's the limit. This checks the boxes for business. We're excited to bring in new and higher quality product to the market.
You know, they do business, you know, the way the business should be done. It's just one-on-one conversation, commitment, follow through, execution. It's all tens all the way through.
With the franchise model, we've created a seamless process where people can join our brand, have an actual fabrication facility anywhere in the country. They'll have CNC machines, they'll have material, they'll be able to turn boats in less than a week. They'll be able to hire, run their own company, generate leads, which will generate the sales. So it's a very profitable opportunity for anyone that wants to join the company.
I knew it was something incredible from a product and service standpoint. Our franchisees coming on, the exposure in the market that we've had, the inquiries just coming in has been phenomenal. And they are not only just part of the boating community, it's expanded outside the boating community. So we have franchisee inquiries from successful business people that have built businesses and have built brands coming into our company, and that just tells me the caliber of the product and the service that we offer is exciting for other people in the business world.
I see a business that's growing, you know, and that's what Robert is trying to accomplish here. He's setting up these franchises to handle his product. Knowing Robert, he's going to take care of these people, and he's going to warranty his product. I really believe in what he's doing, and I think he's going to make a real success out of it. And I think the franchisee people are really lucky to have somebody like them behind him, because that's what's going to build their business.
You don't have to sell product that's good. It sells itself, right? And it's, you know, that's, if the product can sell itself and you can service customers like this, I mean, everything just falls in line. It's a home run.
If you're looking into franchising, right, and whether you've been in the boating industry or not, it's a great model.
You can't just say that you're number one, right? You have to back it up with action. These other companies had an opportunity to fix all the issues with their products. They could have hired chemists, they could have stopped the staining, they could have got with 3M and made sure that the preparation of the decks before they were putting the product on the boats. All these things, their professional, their customer service, their turnaround times, they had an opportunity to fix all that, and they chose not to. So there's really no excuse for that. It was just an I don't care attitude with those brands. And now you've got a company that came in and does care about the consumer, and that's where we're leading the charge in the marine flooring market. The benefit of being in the marine flooring market is that, you know, there's not a lot of competition, and if there's any competition, we've exceeded them by leaps and bounds, and it's automatically going to work. It can't fail. If there was a boat decking company there, they've done all the same things that I've just expressed. They're not servicing the customer, there's no warranty, there's no after the product's been installed service, there's no follow-up, and there's no customer retention. So anywhere high-tech deck opens up in the country, whoever is there now should be worried.